So you finally saved some cash and want to build your credit score? Hold on, plastic fantastic isn't quite the answer just yet. But a strategic credit card can be a powerful tool. Today, we're diving deep into the Sofi credit card, a millennial and Gen Z favorite with some unique perks. But before we get lost in rewards points, let's unpack the big question: is the Sofi credit card right for you? Credit card crash course. First things first. Credit cards are a double-edged sword. Used responsibly, they can build your credit score, which unlocks better interest rates on loans, smoother apartment rentals, and even cheaper car insurance. But swipe happy and you could end up drowning in debt, the exact opposite of our goal. That's why it's crucial to choose the right card. Here's the skinny on what to consider. Rewards, cashback, travel points. Choose a reward system that aligns with your spending habits. Interest rate, this is the fee you're charged for carrying a balance. Lower is better, obviously. Annual fee, some cards charge an annual fee for the privilege of using them. Make sure the perks outweigh the cost. Now, let's see how Sofi stacks up. Sofi credit card, the lowdown. Sofi doesn't bombard you with a dozen different card options. They offer one sleek credit card with benefits that cater to a younger demographic. Here's the breakdown. Rewards, Sofi boasts 2% cash back on all purchases, every day. No weird categories, no quarterly hoops to jump through. Just straight up cash back deposited into your Sofi account. Interest rate, the APR, annual percentage rate, on Sofi's credit card is on the competitive side, though not necessarily the lowest on the market. It depends on your creditworthiness, so check their website for estimates. Annual fee, there is no annual fee, making this a budget-friendly option. Beyond the basics, Sofi's secret sauce. But Sofi goes beyond the standard credit card features. Here's what truly sets them apart. Sofi Relay, this free tool automatically tracks your credit score and provides personalized tips to improve it. It's like having a credit score coach in your pocket. Career coaching, Sofi partners with career coaches to offer resume reviews and interview prep, a valuable perk for recent grads or those looking for a career switch. Financial planning, Sofi connects you with financial advisors who can help you craft a budget and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're a budgeting pro or just starting your financial journey, these bonus features make Sofi a compelling option. Who should get the Sofi credit card? So, is Sofi the perfect card for everyone? Not quite. Here's who Sofi might be a good fit for. Young adults building credit, the 2% cashback and no annual fee make it a great first card. Sofi members, if you already use Sofi for other financial products, the integrated features become even more valuable. Those seeking financial guidance, Sofi's career coaching and financial planning resources are a big plus. On the other hand, Sofi might not be ideal for travel hackers. If you crave elaborate travel rewards programs, Sofi's straightforward cashback might be a bit dull. Those with poor credit, Sofi typically requires good or excellent credit for approval. The Sofi credit card offers a compelling package, especially for young adults looking to build credit and access valuable financial resources. The 2% cashback and lack of annual fees make it a budget-friendly option, while Sofi Relay and the career coaching perk add a unique layer of value. Remember, the best credit card is the one you use responsibly. So, pay your bills on time, avoid carrying a balance, and watch your credit score soar. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.